Is Navya. My roll number is 434. I am studying in first BCom B. Today I am dealing with a concept on money and near money. Money in circulation consists of legal tender money and bank money. Legal tender money is the most perfectly liquid assets which can be used directly for the purchase of commodities and services. Legal tender money is legally accepted by the government. Um, Coins, currencies are the legal tender money. We are used for small transactions. Second one is bank money. In large transactions, we see purchase of machinery, buildings, motor cars, etc. We use bank money like checks, bank drafts, etc. are used. There are certain assets which are highly liquid but not perfectly liquid as money. They are called near money. Example bills of exchange, debentures, shares, etc. Some of near money assets are discussed as under. First one is bills of exchange. Bills of exchange. Bills of exchange is a good form of near money. This bills of exchange is a negotiable instrument. This is the agreement between two parties to do the payment in a future. Um, a bill is a promise to pay a sum of fixed amount of money on a date, generally 3 months or 90 days. Bills may be financial bills, commercial bills, etc. These bills can be easily discounted or sold in the market. Next one is bond. Bond is another kind of near money. Bond is an instrument and other way of raising fund is bond. It is nothing but it is an collateral security. Here, if government or industrial or commercial enterprises, if they have to raise their funds, they are issuing bonds. When they are issuing bonds to the people, and those public who buy those bonds will get the interest. Who are buying that shares, bonds of the company, they are getting uh, written they are getting written as interest. Here risk is less, and we can convert this bond into shares also, and it is a long term borrowing. Next one is debenture. Debenture is an debt instrument. Um, a bond and debentures are quite similar, but difference is bonds are collateral security. Debentures are non-collateral, means it is purely based on credit worthiness of the particular company or industries. That's why here debentures having more risk than bonds, and this debenture is issued by private companies. Next one is share. Next one is share. Shares are the interest of shareholders in the company. Nothing but dividend. What are we getting in return? It is not an actual money, but it is near money. So here we are getting the interest annually. That's why it is called near money. Here we are getting annually interest, means in the form of dividend. If a company makes more profit in a financial year, then a dividend earned by shareholders is also more because they share the profit with the shareholders of the company. Next one is share certificate. It is a certificate issued by the company while purchasing a share. It is nothing but document or proof for purchasing a share. In the share certificate, they will specify company name as well as how many shares we purchased. This share certificate is not actual money, it is liquid asset. We can convert this share certificate into a money. Next one is promissory note. Promissory note is nothing but we are promising to pay a certain amount of money as a debtor to the creditor. This promise note is highly valued. So this promissory note is highly valued. So this is one form of liquid asset. We can convert this liquid asset into a real money. Seventh one is treasury bill. Treasury bill or a T-bill is also called a T-bill, promissory note. It is also a promissory note. It is used by central government with a guarantee of repayment in a later days. They are zero risk instrument. This is the zero risk instrument. This T-bill are circulated by both primary or secondary market. The maturity of T-bill is 3 months, 6 months or 1 year. It is within a 1 year. Okay. Distinguish between money and near money. First one is definition. Money consists of coins, currencies, notes, and demands deposits of the banks. Near money includes financial assets like debentures, shares, share certificates, etc. Second one is liquidity. Money possesses 100% liquidity, but near money is not highly liquid or not has 100% liquidity. Third one is function. Money serve as a common measure of value. All prices are expressed in terms of money, but near money does not perform such functions. Fourth one is use in transactions. Money is directly used for making transaction, but near money is an indirect medium of exchange. It has to be first converted into real money, then we can use it is for the purchase of in or we can use for the transactions. Fifth one is income yielding quality. Money is not an income yielding asset, but near money is an income yielding asset. These are the major differences between money and near money.